Welcome to Aviator DB News Briefing. Today is Wednesday, March 25th, 2026. Here are today's top stories. 2 pilots killed in LaGuardia runway collision between Air Canada jet fire truck. NASA X-59 returns early from second flight after cockpit warning. Cessna Citation test flights continue at Wichita Airport. UK introduces squawk code 7400 for drones losing communication. NTSB investigates fatal runway collision at LaGuardia Airport. Now for the details. Air Canada Express CRJ 900 collided with Port Authority fire truck on LaGuardia Runway 4, killing both pilots and injuring dozens. NTSB cites runway warning system failure and inadequate ATC staffing. NASA's X-59 quiet supersonic demonstrator landed safely at Edwards AFB after 9 minutes following a cockpit system warning during its second test flight March 20th. Officials say the precautionary return is normal for flight testing. Multiple Cessna Citation M2 test flights conducted at Wichita Airport March 22nd as Textron Aviation advances fleet upgrades with new avionics systems. The UK Civil Aviation Authority implemented Squawk Code 7400 for unmanned aircraft systems losing communication, effective May 7, 2025. New regulations mandate remote ID and class markings by January 1, 2026. Air Canada Jazz flight collided with emergency vehicle on LaGuardia runway March 22, killing 2 and injuring 39. NTSB deploying GO team to investigate latest runway safety incident. That's all we have for today. You can get the latest aviation news at aviatordb.com.